In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to straighten in Affinity. If a photo or layout looks a little crooked, this quick workflow will align it neatly in just a few clicks. This method is perfect for scans, product shots, and architectural photos. First, open the Affinity Designer app on your computer and load your document. Next, look to the top left of the interface and switch into the Pixel Studio, sometimes called the Pixel Persona. This view exposes controls that pair nicely with the crop and straighten options we're about to use. Now at the top toolbar, click the break curve icon. It's a simple way to make sure the context bar shows the right options while you work. On the left-hand toolbar, choose the crop tool. As soon as it's active, you'll see a bounding box around your canvas or placed image. Everything outside the box appears dimmed, which helps you visualize the final framing while you work. Up toward the top right of the window, click Straighten. Your cursor becomes a small level tool. The idea is simple. You'll tell Affinity what level should be. For the best results, click and drag along something that ought to be perfectly horizontal or vertical, like a horizon or a building edge. You can also drag along a vertical reference like a door frame if that's clearer than the horizon. Keep your drag short and precise for a clean read. When you release the mouse, Affinity automatically rotates the canvas and aligns the crop rectangle to match the new angle. If the crop is a bit too tight or too loose, hover over the handles and gently adjust them until you're happy with the framing. If rotation created tiny transparent corners, pull the handles out a touch to cover them. Nothing is committed yet, so take a second to fine-tune. Once you're satisfied, press Enter to apply the straighten and the crop in one step. If you change your mind, you can undo immediately and try a different reference line. That's all there is to it. Clean, fast, and consistent. With your image straightened, you can keep editing or move on to your next task. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a perfectly aligned canvas every time you open Affinity.